Click the app launcher on the top left corner. Type and open the app named Message Blink. Once opened, you'll land on the Message Blink social settings page. Click Start My 30-day free trial now to begin. Now, choose your country from the drop-down and click Confirm. A test number will be assigned to your account. Once you see the message, your test number has been assigned successfully, click Save. Next, select any object like lead, contact, or account. Open any record from the selected object. Now, click the gear icon on the top right and choose Edit Page to open the Lightning Page Builder. From the left-hand panel, scroll down to the Custom, Managed section. Drag and drop the Connect the Social Chat component onto your record layout. Now, select the phone field where your contact number is stored. Click the Save button at the top right. Activate this page. Choose Set as Org Default for both desktop and mobile so all users can access the feature. Now click Save. Then hit the back arrow on the top left to return to your record page. Once back on the record page, refresh it. You'll now see the Message Blink chat component. Type your message and hit Send. You receive a reply. And that's it, you're officially messaging right from Salesforce. Need help or want to explore more? Visit www.messageblink.com or connect with us on LinkedIn and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging with Message Blink.